Your mindset is critical to success in sales. You must have a rock-solid mindset when you go into sales appointments to close more deals. In this video, I'll share with you what are the keys to my strong mindset going into sales appointments. Stay tuned. When I go into sales appointments, I have three key aspects of my mindset, which help me to feel better about who I am and what I bring to this appointment, and it helps me to close more deals. I'd like you to consider each of these elements and try them on for size and see how they work for you so that you have a rock-solid mindset and close more deals. Element number one, pure confidence. Confidence sells. I discovered this after being in business for about 2 years and having started to amass a string of successes with clients, some testimonials, and feeling much better about my offering. I then realized I was closing more deals because of the confidence I was bringing to my sales appointments. Confidence will work for you too. If you don't have it now, figure out how to build it up. Have some successes that you can lean on. Ask people who you've satisfied what makes them like you. Why did they pick you? Look at the track record of your organization, the strength of your solution. Look at all of these elements to build your confidence. Increase the knowledge you have of your product, your service, where your company fits into the industry, its USP. All of that can build your confidence. You want to have pure confidence going into every sales appointment. I believe I'm going to win every deal when I go into a sales appointment, and you should too. Element number two is level playing field. It doesn't matter if the person you're meeting with is more successful, wealthier, more educated, works at a larger company. None of that matters. Don't be intimidated by the prospect, because if you are, they'll feel it, and that will cause their confidence in you to go down. You want to go in with a level playing field mindset, which is you are equal to the prospect. You have a great solution to offer. They have a problem that needs solving, and they need you. So that makes you worthy of being there and worth doing business with. So have the confidence that you are an equal with the buyer, and they'll feel it, and they'll be more inclined to do business with you. Element number three, be creative. I go in with a creative mindset thinking, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to get this deal, but I'm confident I'm going to get it. I know I'm on a level playing field with this person, and I'm going to apply maximum creativity to figure out how to get this sale. I'm willing to change what's being delivered and when. I'm willing to change the terms. I'm rarely able to give a discount. Usually that I'm not willing to do. But I'm willing to add on and increase the value of the package if necessary. So I get really creative to ensure that I'm truly meeting the buyer's needs. That makes it much easier to get the deal and harder for them to say no. These are the three elements of my mindset that I take into every sales appointment. I hope you'll consider these and imagine having this same great mindset. And I believe that will have a positive effect on your sales results. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please like it, comment on it, and share it with others. And of course, subscribe to the channel. New videos are coming out soon. If you have questions and you want to email me directly, write me at michael@buildandbalance.com. And know that my new online sales course is going to be up for sale soon. You'll be able to invest in a program that goes deep for 7 weeks, taking you through a proven system to work on your mindset, your approach, and process to become the great salesperson you know you can be. So look for a video coming in the future that will release this program for sale and plan for the launch on September 1st, 2022. Thank you very much, and best wishes to you.